If you've ever wished setting up a tent could be quicker, easier, and way less frustrating, this new float tent from FLFQ Alliner is probably going to blow your mind. This thing is designed to make camping almost effortless. Instead of wrestling with poles and straps, the float uses an inflatable exoframe, so it literally pops into shape in under a minute. And here's the part that really grabbed my attention. When the ground is too rocky, muddy, or just uncomfortable, the whole tent can lift off the ground and become a full-on tree-suspended camping pod. It hangs from a stable spreader-style hammock, so it doesn't swing around or twist, and it's even built to handle light hurricane-level winds. Yes, hurricane. The overall idea feels a lot like the Exode Monolith hammock tent from back in the COVID era, especially with that tensegrity-style inflatable frame. But the float takes its own approach by using a single continuous air beam that wraps around the four corners and crisscrosses twice. That one-piece design keeps things super light and compact. The whole tent, without the hammock, packs down to about the size of a fat book. And when you're ready to set it up, you just plug in the pump, tap the button, and let it do the work. It inflates itself in 48 seconds. Honestly, you don't even need to stand there and stare at it. You could be setting up your camp chair while the tent builds itself. Once the frame is inflated, the tent's waterproof fly and mesh body snap right into place with pre-attached buckles. Even though it's tiny and fast to pitch, it's surprisingly tough. With all the guy points staked out, the float is rated to stand up to winds around 35 meters per second, which is roughly 78 miles per hour. That's actually at the low end of Category 1 hurricane winds, which is wild for something this small and inflatable. But realistically, if you see hurricane warnings in the forecast, maybe just don't go camping. The float is built for solo campers, and inside you get a sleeping area measuring about 79 by 39 inches, with a max height of 33.5 inches. The rainfly unzips fully so you can roll it up and open the tent wide for airflow when the weather's nice. And there's venting up top to keep fresh air moving, even when the fly is down tight. Packing it back up takes only a little longer than setting it up, but it's still super fast, around 2 minutes, and you're ready to roll again. The tent itself weighs around 3.3 pounds, not including the pump, and the pump adds another 1.3 pounds. Now here's where things get fun. If you reach a campsite where the ground just isn't working, maybe it's sloped, rocky, or rooty, you can switch to the float's hammock mode. The hammock kit uses carbon fiber spreader poles and tension straps to create a fully flat platform, so the tent sits level without tipping like a normal hammock. You can also use it without the tent as a regular hammock. The kit adds around 4.2 pounds and comes in its own pouch that fits neatly into the tent's stuff sack. The carbon poles pack separately and only add about 5 inches of length, so the whole system stays compact. FLFQ is currently funding this setup on Kickstarter, and they're clearly off to a strong start. They say they've already completed their testing phase, lined up suppliers, and even run a pilot batch of 200 units. If everything goes smoothly, production kicks off soon, and deliveries are scheduled for March 2026. Backers can get the complete tent plus hammock combo, starting at $399, which they say is a big discount off the planned $699 retail price. And if you want that magical 48-second electric setup, make sure you add the $49 pump with its built-in battery and USB-C charging. The campaign has seriously taken off. They've already raised nearly 10 times their original goal, pulling in close to $50,000 on a $5,000 target. It looks like a lot of campers want a tent that basically sets itself up and can float in the trees when the ground just isn't cooperating.